Welcome to LemonTree. Let's learn and play. A is for apple, tasty and bright. B is for bird, flying in the light.
C for cat, C cat. D for dog, D dog.
E is for elephant, big and bright. F is for fish, swimming with delight. G is for goat, jumping with glee. H is for hat, look, it's on me. I is for insect, tiny and small. J is for jelly, jiggly for all. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, safe as can be. K is for kangaroo, jump so high. L is for lemon, just like I. O is for owl, flying so free. P is for parrot, talking to me. Q is for quail, quick and so sweet. R is for robot, ready to meet. S is for sun, warming the day. T is for turtle, slower its way. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, music nearby. W is for whale, splashing the sea. X is for xylophone, music for me. Y is for yak, furry and fun. Z is for zebra, stripes in the sun.
Great job learning today! See you next time on LemonTree!